Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, 5th class children, now we will go to the English subject. So, children, first of all, I want to ask you one thing, that is, you are revising the lessons, whatever I am telling on in online classes. So, I am thinking, and నా ఒక ఒపీనియన్ ఏంటంటే మీరు చదువుతున్నారు అని, మళ్ళీ లెసన్స్ వింటున్నారు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్లో, మీకు ఫోన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు మీ పేరెంట్స్ అంటే ఫర్ యూ. వై? బికాస్ యూ మస్ట్ షుడ్ లెర్న్, అంటే వాళ్ళకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ దెమ్. సో దే ఆర్ సాక్రిఫైజింగ్ దే ఫర్ యూ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు listen their words and do better for them. So you have to do better for them. So 5th class children, if you are having textbooks, whatever I am giving homework, you are doing it. So one more thing, please concentrate on your subjects, whatever we are telling on the online classes. Next, yesterday we have completed the poem, that is A Man of Words and Not of Deeds. So we have completed it is a small poem, so we completed it fast. So now lesson number 13. So that is the golden fish. So what is meant by gold, everyone know. So golden fish, here he is telling in the poem, it is golden fish. Ante gold ante enti bangaram, andarki telusu gold ante. So ikkada golden fish is telling a fish is with a, it is like a gold, full of gold. It is a golden fish is telling. So what is the story? Once we will go to the lesson and briefly I will explain you. There was once a fisherman who lived with his wife in a small hut near a seaside. So here fisherman means everyone know. So once a fisherman ante chapal pattevaru, who lived with his wife. So with his wife he lived near a seaside, చెరువు దగ్గర ఒక చిన్న హట్లో. Here he is a fisherman, here it is looking some houses near to the seaside. He has been lived in a small hut. One day as the fisherman sat on the shore with his rod, looking at a sparkle blue waves and watching his line, all of suddenly his float brought up very big golden fish. So when he was sitting here in the picture we are seeing, when he was here, waves are coming, blue sparkling blue waves, he is watching the lines. Next suddenly floated, brought a very big golden fish. So suddenly see here he got a big golden fish to this fisherman. The fish said, "Pray let me live." So what here a fish said, ఎప్పుడైతే ఫిషర్మ్యాన్ చేపలు పడతారో, చేపలు చెరువులో ఉన్నంత వరకే దే విల్ బి అలైవ్, బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత అది చనిపోతుంది. సో హియర్ నౌ హీ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ అవుట్ దట్ ఫిష్, గోల్డెన్ ఫిష్. సో వాట్ షీ ఈస్ టెలింగ్, ప్రేయింగ్, అంటే తనకి ప్రేయర్ చేస్తుంది, ప్రార్థిస్తుంది. వాట్ షీ ఈస్ ప్రేయింగ్, ద ఫిష్ ప్రేయర్, ప్రే లెట్ మీ లివ్, ప్రే లెట్ మీ లివ్, నన్ను వదిలేయండి. షీ ఈజ్ telling to fisherman, I am an unchased prince, put me back in the water again. So she is enchanted prince, so she is telling to put into the water to her again back. Oh, I will have nothing to do with a fish that can talk, so swim away, sir, as soon as you please, said the poor fisher. So what is she saying here? He is saying, put me back. She has told in the water. Again she told to put me back. Nanu ikkada tanu maatladutundi. Here the fish is talking. So you are understanding here. Listen carefully. The fish is talking. Where the fishes will talk for you on the seas. సముద్రంలో చేపలు మాట్లాడతాయా? పట్టిన తర్వాత మాట్లాడదు. సో ఈ ఫిష్ ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? షీ ఈస్ టాకింగ్. సో వాట్ హీ టోల్డ్, I have nothing to do with a fish that can talk. నేనేం చేసుకుంటాను మాట్లాడే ఫిష్ని, he told. So swim away, sir, as soon as you pleased. He is pleased, said the poor fisherman. He told, has lived because she is talking, there is no need of talking fish, he assumed. When the fisherman went home to his wife, he told her the story. So whatever here, the fish has been talked, so he has been pleased and he leaved her in the water. So after going to home, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత he has told the whole story. The fish has talked with me in the sea, whatever the story is there, what he did, how the waves how came, blue waves sparkling came, how the fish came out of from that, how she has told to leave her, so how he had lived, this whole story he told to his wife, who fisherman. Did not you ask the prince for anything, said the wife. ఆ యొక్క ప్రిన్స్ని, షీ ఈజ్ అ ప్రిన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎంచైజ్డ్, సో యూ డిడ్ నాట్ ఆస్క్ ఎనీథింగ్ టు ద ప్రిన్స్. యూ అంటే వాట్ హర్ వైఫ్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్, షీ ఈజ్ అ ప్రిన్స్, షీ టోల్డ్ నో. సో వాట్ హర్ వైఫ్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్, యూ డింట్ ఆస్క్ ఎనీథింగ్ టు హర్, ఫర్ ఫిష్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్. సెడ్ ద వైఫ్, గో బ్యాక్ అండ్ టెల్ ద ఫిష్ వీ వాంట్ నగ్ లిటిల్ కాటేజ్. The fisherman went to seashore and said, so what he went back. So here it is a golden fish, she is talking fish. So her wife, what she told, we want cottage, అంటే తనకు ఒక ఇల్లు కావాలి, she want a house to live, she's living in the hut, so it is a prince, so you must ask her something. Why you didn't ask her, she is telling to his husband. So go and ask. Again he went back to the snug little cottage. The fisherman went to seashore and said, so here again he went to the sea, and what he had told we will see. O man of the sea, listen to me. My wife Slibble will have her own will and has sent me to beg a boom of tea. So what he is telling, see here, O man of a sea. So O man means here the sea of the man, she is telling, listen to me. He is asking, listen to me, my wife Islabel. She has Islabel will have her own will. She is having one will. What is that? Had sent to me to beg a bee of tea. So she want to, what she has want, why she has sent to beg a bee. So here he asked to the, he went to the sea and he told these words. What he told, once again I will repeat. O man of the sea, O man of the sea, listen to me. My wife Isabel will have her own will. She is having her own will and has sent me to beg a boom of tea. So this is he tell. He asked what her wife asked. He told to the, he went to the sea and told. The fisherman came up and said, what does your wife want? The fish came up. So it came up from the sea, and what your wife asked. మీ యొక్క వైఫ్ ఏమడిగింది? వాట్ డస్ షీ ఆస్క్ యువర్ వైఫ్? షీ సేస్ దట్ షీ వాంట్ ఏ నగ్ లిటిల్ కాటేజ్. గో హోమ్ దెన్ సెడ్ ద ఫిష్. షీ ఈజ్ అ కాటేజ్ ఆల్రెడీ, షీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద కాటేజ్ ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ గోల్డెన్ ఫిష్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ విషెస్ ఆర్ దే టు అస్, మన యొక్క విషెస్, మన యొక్క ఏంటివి, మన యొక్క కోరికలు. విషెస్ అంటే తనేం కోరింది, తనకి కాటేజ్ కావాలి, నగ్ కాటేజ్. సో go home. Fisherman asked, so what fish told, go home, you will be, she is living in the cottage. So when he went back to home, so he saw his wife is in the cottage already. So the man went home and saw his wife standing at the door of a nice little cottage. Behind the cottage there was a little garden planted with the sort of flowers and fruits, and there were courtyard behind full of ducks and chickens. Said the fisherman, how happily we shall live now. So here whatever the golden fish he saw, and she asked him wish. She asked him a wish. So he went to the seashore and he asked the wish. So it is a fulfill now, and he went to the home. He saw her wife is standing on the door. Oh, beautiful house is there, and also a little garden is there. So in the garden, the plants, flower, vegetables, everyone is there. So full of ducks, courtyard is there, and that they are full of ducks and chickens are there. Next, oh here what a fisherman told, now we can live happily. What is the fisherman told here? Now we can live happily, మనం సంతోషంగా ఉండొచ్చు ఇప్పుడు. Who told these words to his wife? Fisherman told. After a few days, wife said, after few days, కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత again what wife said, I would like to have a large stone castle. Go to fish again and tell him to give us a castle. The fisherman went, but his heart was very heavy. When he came to the sea, it looked blue and gloomy. He went close to the edge of the waves and said, so here ఒక్కసారి కోరికలు పుట్టినాయి అంటే అది ఆగదు, చాలామందికి ఆగదు. సో కోరికలు చాలా మంచివి కావు, మనం ఎంతలో ఉంటే అంతలోనే మంచిది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీటింగ్ ద లెసన్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఫర్ యూ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లెసన్. సో హియర్ she is living happily, she has everything beside us, vegetables or whatever it may be she is having. But also few days తర్వాత, కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత again what she told, she want a big castle. What she want, large stone castle కావాలి అని అడిగింది. Oh, again she is telling to his husband to go and ask the fish. Go to the sea and ask the fish. She want a castle, stone castle. So again the fisherman తన యొక్క ఉండే బరువుగా ఉంది అడగాలి, he has very heavy. When he came to the sea again, he went to the sea and he looked gloomy. Here again it is looking blue. He closed to the edges of the waves and said again, he went there and what he told again, he told another same the wish what is there, his wife wish. Oh man of the sea, listen to me, my wife Slebel will have her own will and has sent me to beg a boon of thee. Again he is begging his wish is telling to the fish. Mali same what he is asking, I want next first he asked the cottage, next he asking the stone castle. So again he asked same words, oh man of the sea, listen to me. Here he is asking again, he is begging a castle of a stone, large stones. Well, what does she want now? Said the fish. Again is the fish has asked inka em kavali, what she want, your wife? Said the man sadly, my wife want to live in a stone castle. So she want to live again, so in a stone castle. Go home then, said the fish. She is standing the gate of the castle already. The man went back and found his wife already in the castle. So here with the cottage she is not happy, so he wants stone castle. So again fish came out and asked her what she want now, inkem kavali ka. So he told she wants stone castle, go home. Here again her wife is standing on the gate, stone castle. So here the man again, his wife already cast. He found great many servants and rooms richly furnished and full of gold chairs and table. Here is a very big home, the stone castle. So here with so many servants, చాలా మంది పనివాళ్ళు, తర్వాత chairs. So here golden chairs, tables are there. Behind the castle it was a garden is there, around it was a park half of mile long, full of sheep, goats and hares are there in this stone large castle. So here the second wish is, the first wish is, what is first wish? The first wish is she want a snug little cottage. The second one is she want a large stone castle. So this is the first wish, this is the second wish she asked. So now also the second wish also came. Second wish kuda tanaki పూర్తయిపోయింది, తన యొక్క సెకండ్ విష్ కూడా తీర్చేసింది ఫిష్. వెల్, వాట్ డస్ షీ వాంట్ నౌ, he said. So here she got it again, wish second wish also she got fulfilled. The next morning his wife woke up woke him up and said, "Get up, husband, for we must be king of all the land." "I will not be king," said the fisherman. Again she woke up. Next day morning, what she has done? Early morning, she has woke up his husband అనే ఒక భర్తను లేపి, సో కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ల్యాండ్, ఈ యొక్క మొత్తం ల్యాండ్కి మనమే నువ్వు కింగ్ కావాలి అని చెప్పింది టు ద ఫిషర్మ్యాన్ హిజ్ వైఫ్. "Then I will." So what he told? "No, get up, for we must be king of the all." "I will not be king," said the fisherman. So she told, "You have to be king of this whole land." But what fisherman told? He has been rejected to be a king of these lands. "Then I will," said his wife, go and tell the fish to make me the king." So the man went away sorrowfully to the sea. This time the sea looked dark green in color. He cried out. So here what is happening? So 2 times when he went, the sea is like this. It is a blue. Here also we have seen blue and gloomy. So next time when he went, the third wish, she asked to be king of this land. So he don't want to be, but also his wife told, he was very sorrowful and went to the sea. How is the sea? Grey color. It has become look dark grey in color. Dark grey color లో ఈ యొక్క సముద్రం కనిపించింది తనకి, sea. So the man went away sorrowful to the sea. This time the sea looked dark grey in color. He cried out. So he was cried out. Why? Because it is a dark grey color. "Oh man of the sea," again he is asking a wish. "Oh man of the sea, listen to me. My wife is Isabel. Will have her own will, as he sent me to beg a boon of thee." Again he is asking the wish to the sea. Went to the sea and he asked for the wish to fish. "Well, what does she want now?" said the fish. "Alas," said the poor man, my wife wants to be king." "Go home," said the fish. "She is a king already." Again what he is telling? She wants to be king, she told. So here he has refused. So what she wants? She wants to be a king of the. So here she wants to be king. So she has been already king of the palace. Now go home and see, she is a king of the palace. Then the fisherman went home. He saw the palace. Palace is a palace of a castle. There was a troop of soldiers and the sound of drums and trumpets. Inside the palace, his wife was sitting on the throne of a golden and diamond with the golden crown up her head. "Now be happy as you are the king," he said. "We will see," said his wife. So here a fisherman went to the fish and he asked the again wish. The third wish is to be the king of the palace, whole land. So this is the third wish. So he asked her fish and go to home and see, your wife is already king. So with the diamonds and see how she is sitting. She is now king of this whole land. A few months later his wife said, "I am tired to be only a king. I want to be an emperor. Go and ask your fish." The fisher was very sad, but he rarely went to the sea. So now she is bored with this, what she is telling. Few months later she was tired. Chala opika ledu naku. I want to be emperor. She again go and ask to the fish. So I am tired to be king. So I want to be emperor. Again go and ask to the fish. The fisherman was sad. Now also he is sad to ask the fish. The water was black and waves rolled about. He went as near as he could and shouted. So again here in the grey color the water has been changed. Now the water has been really, it went to the near and again he could be shouted, "Oh man of the sea, listen to me. My wife is will have her own will and has sent me to beg a boon of thee." Again this word has been came for him. So here what it happens, again he went there and he asked the wish. See here in the picture, children, in the picture you are seeing, yes, here is the picture. Again he went. So, oh man of the sea, listen to me. My wife is Isabel, will have her own, and he has sent me to beg a boon of thee. So again, she want to be emperor. So again he went to ask the fish. So what happened here? It's she is a. Now what does she want? Again the fish is asking here what she want to be. Said the fisherman, she want to be the emperor. Go home, said the fish. She is the emperor already. So again she asked her, she want to be emperor. So the fourth wish is she want to be emperor. So now also the fourth wish is emperor. So these all are the wishes of the fish. So I'll continue tomorrow, children, for you. So here first wish is she want to snug లిటిల్ కాటేజ్. ఫస్ట్ విష్ అడిగింది, ఓకే, అక్కడ పూర్తి అయింది. సెకండ్ విష్ మళ్ళీ పెద్ద లార్జ్ స్టోన్ క్యాస్టల్ కావాలి, ఓకే, ఇక్కడ రెండు అయిపోయినాయి. థర్డ్ వన్ మళ్ళీ కింగ్, తను వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ కండి అంటే తనకి ఇష్టం లేదు కాబట్టి ఫిషర్మెన్కి నాన్న నా కోసం అని అడగంటే థర్డ్ విష్. తర్వాత షీ వాంట్ టు బీ ఎంపరర్. అగైన్ షీ వాంట్ టు బీ ఎంపరర్. సో సి ఆశ ఉండొచ్చు కానీ అతి ఎక్కువ ఆశ ఉండద్దు అని ఈ లెసన్లో లాస్ట్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ సమ్ ఫుడ్, సో టేక్ దట్ మచ్, ఎంత అవసరమో అంతే తీసుకోవాలి. అతి ఆశ పడితే it will come down only, then again it will come down. So children, listen carefully and keep concentration on every lesson, every subject, whatever we are teaching. So if you don't have books, please take the books from the school. It is 5th class now. You have to keep concentration and more study. Okay, go through the textbook. Thank you very much.